Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about US dollar index. So let's get started. This is the US dollar index weekly chart I made on May 8th, right? The first week of May, at the end of first week of May. This is Elliott wave count. This whole thing is, let's say, impulse wave. Then it's supposed to be doing the correction A, B, C, which is that A is in place, and then wave B should be in three waves, A, B, and C. That would be wave black count 2 and B, 2 or B, whatever it is going to be. And then from there on, maybe it will come down all the way to wave C around 61%, which will be maybe somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. So after that, what happened to this chart? And on May 27th, I was here, right? So this chart was here. We started to go up nice and clean. And when we get there, I made two charts. I made first chart, this one I was supposed to have here before, but whatever. So first preference was that it will continue go to this in this direction over here, but I was a little skeptical about that, and I thought maybe it's gonna do something else as well. There was a chance that it will do something else. What was that? Was this. My second preference was, I said, well, what if it, well, usually what happens is the 23% line of this fib from here to here. Let me show you a diagram. This what happens. A lot of time that happens, right? This X, A, B, and then see this point, this is usually it's a 23% line of the fib you draw from X to A or A, B. And then this is either 50% or 61% or even 78% for that matter. So C point is very critical, right? The price may go all the way to the upside or first drop to 78 or 88% and then go to the upside. Okay, so this was the case here. I said maybe it's going to drop from there, this chart that I made in the second scenario, that it might be making a turn from here, 23% line, and then go down here to this area, finish up a butterfly pattern, a harmonic pattern, around 61% of this whole rise, and then it will go up. That was the second scenario. So right now we are here. So it started to go down, but is being pushed back up to the upside, right? And still very unsure that which way it wants to go. What I'm waiting for is that news here. Let's say tomorrow, today is Wednesday, and all we had on Wednesday is the CAD news. CAD got very strong because it is the interest rate a little bit, right? But Thursday morning, 8:30 a.m. USD red news employment claims, and it was 232,000, and expecting 236. So unemployment, if rising, then it will be it will have inverse effect on the currency, right? It will be bad for the currency. So then, if that is the case, if it goes, this number goes even higher, or this one or higher, maybe 240, 250, then USD probably gonna get drop, and then second scenario will come into play. But if not, then we probably will. My first scenario is still there, that we should go, and then it's clear count, very, very clear, A, B, and then we're supposed to go up here, C, 23% line or 61% or this high, 1753, and then from there on we will come down for C. So here, indecisive, very unsure what need to be doing, drunk, right? So need to be very careful. That's why I canceled my webinar today at 4, because I wanted to make sure that I'll give you the right thing. It's like the direction. It's not like, okay, it can go up and it cannot. What the heck? Right? Yeah, everybody knows that if not going up, it's gonna go down. But making sure is one thing, right? So I need a little bit more time to make sure. The 40-minute chart is like this. Is this an impulse and ABC correction finish here, and then we're gonna go down, or this is 1, 2, 3 followed by wave 4 and then wave 5 to the upside? That's the one. That's the thing. Now you see that it bounced exactly from this 1099. Where the heck is 1099? Is right here. See this here, little high here, 1099. This is, I call, the bottom of the bucket. 1099. It came down here and then bounced. Up there is on the top side is 1247. Below is 1100. So it is sitting right now. It is sitting on 1195. You see that? Right now the number is 1199. So it is sitting this number on this number. Below is 1099. Above is 1247. It is sitting at like almost 1200, right? So let's see what happened. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that this is why I canceled the webinar today, because I want to make sure that it is catching the direction up or down. And then we're going to trade these pairs accordingly, right? If it goes to the upside, then these 4 pairs will go down and these 3 pairs will go up. But if it goes to the downside, then these 3 pairs will go up and these 4 pairs, and then these 3 pairs will go down. Right? Scenario completely changes. And then we will look for long or short in respective direction. Right? So let's see what happened. All right. So the next chart I will make about the yen index. Yen index is on the move again. And I want to just keep it separate, right? The US dollar index, then yen index, and then CAD index probably, and then gold. So I'm going to make all these videos today. Subscribe the channel now, and hit the bell icon so that you can get my video on time as soon as I upload them, so that you can trade accordingly. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.